right, let's start then. All right, so for those students who are new, very welcome. All right, my name is Miss Ivy. So for Miss Ivy's class, right, very simple. During my lesson, please turn on your video. And please mute your microphone. Unless I say unmute yourself. All right, then any one of you can unmute yourself. All right, but most of the time we'll be using the chat. So feel free to use the chat to ask me questions. Feel free to use the chat to say, I don't understand. Nothing shameful about not understanding. All right. It's only shameful when you don't understand, you keep quiet. That's shameful. All right. So if you don't understand anything, you must be brave enough to say, I don't understand, so that others can help you, so that Miss Ivy can help you. All right. Then if I'm going too fast or too slow, let me know in the chat. Give me feedback in the chat. And then I'll be asking a lot of questions. Please answer using the chat. And then don't worry about giving me wrong answer. Okay. Do not worry about giving me wrong answer as long as you try. All right. So please be respectful. And then there's no stupid answer in Miss Ivy's class. All answers are respected. There is no stupid answer. Okay. So if you need to go toilet or get a glass of water, don't need to ask me for permission. Do not need. You just need to type into the chat, I'm going toilet. And when you're back, just type into the chat and say, I'm back. Okay. This one is next is the August National Day promotion. So please help us share 88 tuition with your family and friends. All right. So 88 tuition has primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, primary 6, secondary 1, secondary 2, and secondary 3 tuition. Next year, they will start secondary 3. So you can share the handphone number with your family and friends. Every one of you have a special referral code. Your parent will receive an SMS. All right, so each of you have a special referral code. So share these two things with your family and friends. Your family and friends will then get one free live lesson. And then if they choose to subscribe, they will have 25% off. You also get 25% off. So both of you will be very happy. So that is how you save money. All right, by introducing 88 tuition with your friends and your family members. All right, let's start. So altogether, I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 animals here if I don't count human being. Actually, human being is also called an animal. All right. Now, out of all these 7, can everybody type into the chat which of these have 4-stage life cycle? All right, which of these type into the chat? Which animals that I put here? I put 7 ticks here. Which animals have 4-stage life cycle? Type into the chat, please. Which animals have 4-stage life cycle? Jerry, there's 2 more. Good try. Oh, that's Ruben. Okay, Ruben, would you be able to rename yourself? Claire, that is wrong. That's wrong, but good try. Later, please pay attention. All right. As in how you can remember. Okay, don't worry about giving me wrong answer, but later you have to remember. So in other words, okay, Jerry is Ruben. Are you able to rename yourself? If not, I'll help you rename then. So Jerry is Ruben. Okay, I've helped you rename. Right, let me know if the spelling is wrong. Okay, Wen-Xing, well done. And your first answer is wrong, but good try. All right, so Evan, excellent answer. All right, so far I have excellent answer from Evan, excellent answer from Wen-Xing. And then Caleb as well, excellent answer. Shrisa, that is wrong, but good try. Okay, so Claire, remember your previous answer was wrong. Ruben, excellent answer. Caleb, excellent answer. All right. Caleb asked whether 88 tuition gives tuition from Set 4 to university, and for the time being, no. Only up to Set 4. Okay, primary school to secondary school only. Okay, in a lot of subjects, English, Chinese, Maths, and Science. All right, so well done, Gisli. Okay, so yes. Now, a lot of you forgot the memory aid. Okay, so let me give you the memory aid. So 4-stage life cycle. So you must have a hyphen. All right, 4 hyphen and then life cycle. Okay, so 4 hyphen stage life cycle. Then think of big mouth. I use inverted comma, not big mouth, big money. When you grow up and become adults, don't you want to earn big money? Everybody wants to earn a lot of money, right? Okay, all of us want to earn a lot of money. I hope every one of you will find a job that you love. You're passionate and you love the work that you do in your job, your future job, and you earn big money. So why you remember big money? Now, 4 is bigger number than 3. All right, 3-stage life cycle or 4-stage life cycle. 4 is a bigger number, right? So you look for the letter B and M. See, B and M. So mosquitoes start with M, butterflies start with M, beetles start with M. So this 3, all right, 4-stage life cycle. Isn't it easy now? Now you'll be tested this in primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, and primary 6 PSLE. So please don't get this wrong. Then from the rest, all right, the rest will be 3-stage. Excuse me. All right, 3 hyphen, you need a hyphen, 3-stage life cycle. Easy now, everyone. Okay, Caleb say he wants to be a dinosaur scientist. Wow, but then there's no dinosaurs in the world anymore. All right, unless you want to study about the dinosaurs in the past. That means you go and dig out fossil bones, right? The real bones of dinosaurs, and then you go and find out what did the dinosaurs used to eat? How did the dinosaurs move? All right, so there are also occupation like this. Okay, Evan said he wants to be a YouTuber gamer. Yes. Can you hear me? Can y'all hear me? Can everybody type in the chat? Can y'all hear me? Please type into the chat. Can y'all hear me? Thank you. And all right, so most of you can hear me. All right. Okay, let's move on because I've heard someone saying, "Well, cannot hear me." It's not clear. Now, if you can't hear me or you can't speak to me, your mic is not working, please use the chat. Okay. So this one, let me highlight for you. Very, very important. So usually I'll highlight the important one. So please remember this. All right. So I put a star. All right. So remember B and M. Now, I'm not talking about animals in the whole wide world that's with B and M. I'm only talking about animals in PSLE syllabus. All right, okay. So I only talking about animals in the PSLE syllabus. Animals that start with B and M in the PSLE syllabus, 4-stage life cycle. The rest all 3-stage life cycle. Okay, let's move on. All right. Now, I have many videos here. So when you get the PowerPoint slides, you will be downloading these class notes. Now, when you download the class notes, all the videos are here. So how do you, because of limited time, we may not be able to play all the videos. All right, we'll play some of the videos. You can click. All right, so when you get the PowerPoint slides, you go to the slideshow mode and then you click on mosquito, it will play the mosquito video. Then sometimes I have 2 videos. So one video I put on the arrow. So this is one video on mosquito here, and then another video on mosquito here. All right, so butterfly only got 1 video. Beetle got 1 video here, and then another video on larva, another video for pupa. All right, then chicken video, and another chicken video here in the arrow. All right, so the arrow, some of the arrows have links to the video. So one video from the link, one video from the arrow. If you click on the arrow, you will open up the chicken video, first video. Then there's another chicken second video. So frog only 1 video, cockroach 1 video. If you click here, grasshopper got 1 video here and another video here. All right, so only the yellow words are in your syllabus. So let me write here. So don't go and memorize everything. Don't go and, of course, you can read beyond the syllabus, all right? But I need to know what is tested in PSLE. So the yellow ones, all right, are in the syllabus. Okay, in PSLE primary 6 syllabus. You'll be tested in primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, and primary 6. Okay, so letter B and M. So 4 stages. Is everybody clear? So you will remember it by big money. You want to earn big money when you grow up. Okay, B and M. All right. So we will move on. Later we'll continue to watch some more video. However, before we go on, please take note, as long as it's 4 stage, the young does not resemble the adult. Everybody type into the chat, what do you mean by resemble? Even we'll be watching more videos later along the way. All right. Caleb, we have a beetle to show later. When I stop the sharing, then we can take a look at your beetle. Thank you, Evan. So resemble means look like. All right. So for 4 stage, as long as it's 4 stage, 4 is a bigger number than 3. If it's 4 stage, the young will confirm 100% will not look like the adult. All right. So the young of mosquito don't look like adult. Young of a butterfly don't look like adult. Young of a beetle don't look like adult. But over here, 3 stage, be very careful. The highlighted one, I don't care about all these. So I just look at the highlighted ones because the highlighted yellow one in PSLE syllabus. For all these, take note, be careful of the frog. For frog, right? Can you answer this question? What do you call the young of a frog? Everybody. What is a name for the young of a frog? One word. Give me the one word. How do I call the young of a frog? I give you 5 seconds to type into the chat. What do you call the young of the frog? Well done, Ruben. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, Gisli. Even that's not right. Okay, hang on. Because I have a lot of windows, and then I have Wen-Xing, well done. So I only have correct answers for Ruben, Wen-Xing, Gisli. All right, Caleb, well done. Okay, even your answer is not right. All right. If you're not sure, just type into the chat, I don't know or not sure. I will also appreciate that response rather than you keep quiet. Thank you very much, Anne, for telling me. All right. Claire, well done. Okay. Now, a baby frog is called tadpole. Okay, tadpole. All right. Now, even you're saying it's very laggy, is it? Would you like to leave the Zoom room and re-enter again? Just a minute. Let me open my bedroom door so that hopefully the internet will be stronger. Hang on for a while. I open my bedroom door. All right, just in case the door becomes, it slows down the signal. Okay, I have opened my bedroom door. I mean, that's what I can do to help. So, even if it's still very laggy, can you leave the Zoom room and then you re-enter? I will re-admit you. All right, you try, you monitor. All right. So anybody, if you suddenly find it very laggy, you may choose to leave the Zoom room and re-enter again. I will admit you. Don't worry. All right. Okay, because I will hear the ding dong to know that someone is waiting for me. Okay, now in the waiting room. Okay, let's continue. For frog, the baby frog is called tadpole. Okay, so I'm going to write here, right? Maybe I'll write in, let's see, what shall I write in? I shall write in blue. Okay, so for frog, it will be, okay, maybe I'll write in black. Right, so it will be 8, tadpole, adult. All right. And then for chicken, everybody type into the, for chicken, someone unmute yourself. Let's go faster. Chicken will be 8, then what? What do you call the baby chicken? Baby chicken.
Chickling.
No, shorter word than that.
Chick.
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 Chick. So 8 chick adult. Right? So for chicken, we have 8 chick adult. For frog, we have 8 tadpole adult. How about for cockroach? Everybody type into the chat. Don't say. Everybody type in the chat. What do you call the 3 stages? Type into the chat. I give you 5 seconds. I give you 10 seconds, and because you need to type 3 words, I give you 10 seconds. Type out the name of the 3 stages for cockroach. 10. Cockroach, the 3 stages. Well done, Evan. Evan is the first one. 10, 9, 8, 7. Type out the 3 stages in the life cycle of a cockroach. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Caleb, your last word is wrong. Okay. So don't worry about it. Thank you for responding, and thank you for responding, Shrisa. All right. Ruben, well done. Okay. Now, yes, well done, Caleb. Okay. So those of you who are not sure, don't worry. However, after today, you must be very sure. It's called 8